Hello and welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Qatar Day's beauty makeup tips and tricks. Today we're going to focus on skincare and we're going to focus mainly on how we can do facial at home. Now this remedy is very simple, बहुत ही easy है. This you can just use with any products that are just in your kitchen. It is so universal. Anyone with oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, and even sensitive skin can use this. You don't need a lot of products and we can just do it at home. As you can see, I'm all decked up right now because I just finished shooting, but I am quickly going to clean my skin, and I'm wearing something that is very comfortable, something that I don't mind getting dirty, because as you're going to do a facial at home, you need something to wear, something comfortable, wear something that you don't mind getting dirty. So I'm just quickly going to start with the makeup tutorial and with the skincare tutorial, and we're going to get into it. Firstly, I'm just going to clean my face real quick and I'm going to be back in a jiffy. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, I took out most of the makeup with a face wash. And you can see my skin is a little, I do have a little acne problem. Not very severe, but yes. And before I forget, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe to Qatar Day. On our Insta handle it's Qatar Day, and on Facebook as well it's Qatar Day. Our website is www.qatarday.com. If you're new to this channel and if you like this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Now if you're a person like me who uses a lot of makeup, you need something to really get out the makeup from your skin. What I'm going to use is this brush here. I usually use it to cleanse my face. I'm just going to put a portion of, if you can see, a portion of this cream scrub on the brush, and then we're going to nicely and get into there and cleanse the entire face. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I do it. And just a pro tip, whenever you use something like this, do not forget to go in a circular motion and get really into your skin and get out all the gunk and all the makeup that is in your skin. So this is really going to, and this kind of really helps you with promoting your blood circulation, which is also good for your skin. And for girls like me who have oily skin and who have acne problems, I would really recommend this step to really get all the makeup out of your skin. So, you need to do this for a good 60 to 90 seconds so that you know that it's all over and you're really getting out all the makeup outside. Don't forget your neck, which is also important because हम यहाँ भी makeup apply करते हैं. So I'm just doing this with the face wash. I'm really getting it out. If you don't have a brush like this, don't be disappointed. Don't go and buy one. You can always do it with your fingertips. Best cleanser. Okay, so I'm done. Now I'm quickly going to wash my face and come back. So now, as you can see, I just washed my face. I've kept a little water because I'm going to scrub my face, so I do need the water. Now the products that I'm using this because it suits my skin. You can use anything that suits your skin, okay? So don't go and buy the products that just because I'm using it. You can always use the products that you find to be best suited for your skin. Now I have an oily skin, is why I'm using these. Now I'm going to scrub my face with this scrubber, and after that we're going to start with the home facial treatment. So sassy. So I'm just going to put in a few drops of these all over my neck and my face, and I'm just going to scrub it with my fingertips. As I said, best massager. That's why I asked you guys to wear something that you don't mind spoiling, because all these products are going to be all over your body. So that's why use something that you don't mind getting spoiled, you don't mind getting soiled. So you just got to nicely scrub it in and take out all that gunky, all the oils and the makeup out from your skin. For all my oily skin babes, try to always go in this angle, because this is where we really leak out all the oil, our T-zone and the chin zone. So I mostly just concentrate more on this portion. So you really got to scrub it out. Scrub is also very beneficial because all your dry skin, all your flaky skin kind of comes out, and you need to do it at least twice a week. Okay, so I'm done and I'm going to wash my face again. Bye bye. So now you can see that my skin is much more better compared to what it was when I started, and I know that most of the makeup and most of it has come out by now, which is like, wow, I feel so nice. It feels like a baby skin right now. After this, we're going to get into the actual facial. First, we're going to try on a mask, and I would you just go down the link and you can check all kind of I'm going to describe each skin different concoctions that you can use on your face. These are very basic ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. You don't really need to go out and buy anything. जैसे अब हम सब घर पर है और हमें ब्यूटी केयर करना है घर पर रहकर, तो you can just find all these things in your kitchen. You don't really need to go out and buy anything. So let's get into that. As you can see, for the face pack, I have used gram flour. So this is gram flour, a little bit of turmeric, and I've used yogurt. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mix all of this and prepare a face mask. If you feel this is a little dry for you, you can always add a little bit of rose water. So as you can see, I have just mixed everything, and now we're going to apply it to our face. So I'm going to apply this to my face and wait about 10 to 15 minutes till it gets dried, and by the time I would enjoy a good book or a coffee or something. Never know. You can just use whatever you have at home to apply this. I'm just using whatever brush or container I have. You can just apply it to your face. I'll see you guys after 15 minutes or until this get dries. Bye bye. Okay, so once your skin is a little bit dry, once the whole mask is a little bit dry, what you can do is you can just add, I have this steamer and I've added water and rose water to this as well, and I'm just going to steam my face and massage off the entire mask from my face. So as you can see, I took out the entire mask and this is what my skin looks like right now. Oh, I love it. It's so nice. It's so pretty soft. So this is what my skin looks like. You can see all the redness that I had is gone, most of it. And you can see how smooth my skin looks right now. So this is because of the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric. Whenever you have acne skin, turmeric kind of helps to brighten and reduce the redness of the skin, which is a very good hack for your skin. The chickpeas kind of help to exfoliate your skin, and the yogurt gives you the extra moisture, and the rose water is just there for the oomph. So I hope you guys try this. You will really like it. And after this, what we're going to do is, I have you can use any moisturizing cream that you have at your home, or any massage cream. I do have a massage cream right now with me, and I'm going to use that to massage my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you how I massage my skin and the strokes and everything, how you going to do it. So keep watching. So you can take any moisturizing cream or anything that you have with you. I have a massage cream, so I'm going to use my massage cream and kind of massage my skin. A tip also, if the ones who have sensitive skin can try aloe vera gel, or the ones who have dry skin can try yogurt to massage your skin if you want to do it the exact home remedy kind. But I have a massage cream and this really suits my face, so I'm going to just use this massage cream. It's a papaya massage cream. And for those who don't have a massage cream, you can use aloe vera gel for sensitive skin and yogurt for dry skin. And combination skin can just use a moisturizer, no problem. So we're just going to start massaging the skin. And as it goes, you will see that most of this cream is going to vanish into my skin. It's going to get absorbed and there's going to be very less cream left on my skin. That is because the skin is kind of going to absorb all the massage cream. This is what my skin looks like after I'm done massaging and everything. Do not forget your lips as well, that's very important. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Maybelline's Baby Lips, just a lip balm on my lips so that, so my lips are protected as well. Just that. And you're done. I hope you liked the video, and if you did like the video, please share, subscribe and comment to our channel for more tips and tricks on beauty and makeup and skincare. Please keep watching Saturday. Thank you.